Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be part 6 and the final part of writing to Excel. Excel automation through PyCharm and Python. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, make sure our test book, Writing Excel, we're going to take a look at it. This is going to be the one we're going to use for this video. And as you can see, let's close everything here. There's nothing. This worksheet needs to be populated. It's called Sheet 1. So again, we have to, of course, as always, import open by Excel, import open by Excel. We open up our workbook, so workbook equals open by Excel dot load. We're going to load our test book writing Excel workbook. So I'm going to test book writing Excel, XLSX. That's right. We're going to get workbook sheet get by sheet name. So we're going to type out sheet dot workbook dot get sheet by sheet. Oops, get sheet by name. We have to get our sheet called sheet. And there's one. Now we'll double check this by loading this up again. Make sure sheet 1 is right. And sheet 1 is right. Okay. So don't need any of this. Don't need any of this. So as we hit enter, name sheet is not defined. Oh, we forgot something. We've got to put in a period instead of our equal sign. Sheet equals. And again, we can just ignore this little red line of text here. It's not really important right now. So if to have something like sheet, we'll get workbook sheet 1. So that's our sheet. Now I can look for something. If there's a value of the sheet A1 or the cell A1 by typing out sheet, brackets A1, cell sheet 1.A1. So that basically means there's nothing there, as we just saw. What we can actually do is we can set this sheet A1 into a certain value. So we can insert, for example, sheet A1 equals, let's say, apples. Now we can type out what the value is. We'll get sheet A1 dot value. Oops, forgot our quotes. Sheet dot A1 value, apples. I found if we save this workbook, dot save test book writing. Oops, come on. XLSX. We'll save it. Now we'll open up our test writing book. And we have apples in our A1 column. So that's how basically you write to cells. We're going to clear a new console, clear our console now. Now we're going to learn how to adjust rows and columns for our second part of this video. So again, we have to import by Excel, import open by Excel. I'm going to set our workbook to workbook equals open by Excel dot workbook because we're making a new workbook. Open by Excel. Open by Excel workbook. I'm going to set our sheet to be the sheet on our active workbook. So we're going to type out sheet equals to be active. Now we're going to change the row dimensions and the column dimensions. So to start off with the row dimensions, we'll type out sheet.row underscore dimensions. And want to select our particular column. Or row rather, we want to have dimensions, so we'll type out something like 1 dot, and we're going to go for height, because we're looking for row dimensions. So I don't know, say 100. We can do something similar. We can type out sheet equals column dimensions. We can just select the column, so let's try, I don't know, column C. And we adjust the width of it, and it's equal to, I don't know, 65. Now we'll type in, pass in our values for A1 and we're passing our values basically for our cells we want to we just manipulated, or for the rows and columns we just manipulated. So we'll type something like sheet A1 equals tall row sheet.c2 sheet C2 equals wide column. Column. And we're going to save this as a new workbook. So we're going to w.save new.xlsx. xlsx. Okay. So we're going to open up a new tab. Just showed up here. And we can see in A1, we have a significantly higher height for our A1 column, and for the row, we basically made it to about height of about 100 pixels. I think that should be the right one. And then our wide column, we made the width. The width of our entire C column as about, I don't know, 65. It looks a little bit weird, but again, it worked. We put in A1 for tall row, as you can see. As you can see, we had A1 here, tall row, and then sheet C2 is wide column. So we put C2 under. We put the wide column under C2. Yes, that's basically about it for Excel automation. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.